Amidst the buzz surrounding the unveiling of the U.S. women's national team roster for the upcoming Paris Olympics, one glaring absence has stirred conversations: the omission of rising basketball phenom Caitlin Clark. With every member of the squad boasting a glittering array of Olympic and FIBA World Cup accolades, Clark's exclusion raises eyebrows, especially given her meteoric rise both on the college stage and in the WNBA with the Indiana Fever. Addressing the decision, USA Basketball Women's National Team Committee Chair Jennifer Rizzotti emphasized the rigorous selection process focused solely on basketball prowess, deflecting attention from extraneous factors like TV viewership or popularity. Despite Clark's undeniable talent and burgeoning fanbase, the committee remained steadfast in their adherence to predetermined criteria. Clark's electrifying WNBA debut and record-breaking NCAA viewership hinted at her potential to invigorate the Olympic squad, yet the committee remained resolute in prioritizing experience and skill on the court. While Clark expressed her aspirations to one day don the national colors, she viewed the setback as fuel for future endeavors, echoing a sentiment of determination rather than disillusionment. As speculation mounts over potential matchups between Clark's WNBA All-Star contingent and Team USA, the gravity of Olympic gold remains undiminished. With stalwarts like Brittany Griner and Diana Taurasi anchoring the squad, the team exudes a blend of seasoned expertise and championship pedigree. Age, while a topic of discourse, held minimal sway in the committee's deliberations, as evidenced by the inclusion of 22-year-old Sabrina Ionescu and Jackie Young. Instead, a premium was placed on honed skill sets and battle-tested resilience, underlining the team's unwavering pursuit of excellence. In a realm where every decision is scrutinized and every omission dissected, the path to Olympic glory demands unwavering focus and a steadfast commitment to the essence of the sport. As the countdown to Paris commences, Team USA stands poised to defend its legacy, fortified by a roster forged in the crucible of competition and united in pursuit of gold.